Alright, so welcome to the next series, and in the previous one we showed you a demo of the entire system, and this particular one is to show you the processes that you will go through or anybody will go through to be able to book a rental or inquire to purchase a particular vehicle that you have listed on your system as a business, right? So let's quickly see what we have here. So on the home page, you'll be able to see your featured vehicle. So on the admin dashboard, when you're adding, you'll be able to select if that vehicle is featured or not. So any vehicle that is featured will just show on the home page here as you are seeing, right? So then people can browse through the vehicles and see the every details about the vehicle, and then they want to maybe rent it or visit for buying or inquire to purchase the vehicles. Now here we'll bring you to this particular page. This takes you to vehicles page, okay, and then you'll be able to see all the vehicles, not only the featured vehicles but everything on the system as a vehicle, right? And then your customers will be able to browse through the vehicles, and then based on their budget or their specification of a vehicle type that they want, they will be able to search the vehicle, right? If they find that is fine, if not, they can also search by category. If they find that is fine, if not, they can also search by what? The brand, right? A particular brand. Okay, once they find, then they will be able to proceed and then do whatever. So let's say I'm a customer on your system, right? And then I see this vehicle that I like. I'll just click on view details and I'll be able to see every detail about the vehicle. Okay, so once I see everything and then I like it as a customer, what I will do is that I'll just see the pricing as well. Well, does this price fall within my budget? If it's renting it, am I okay to rent it at these values that you are giving as a business? Once I confirm and then I'm certain as a customer to go with this, I'll just sort. If I want to buy it, inquire to purchase, I'll come here to fill this form and all of that, and then I submit as a customer, and then the business owner sees that on their own system as well. Okay, so if I need to rent it because this vehicle is going for rent, you can see the rental rate, the daily rate, the hourly rate. I can book this particular rental. It's bringing me to the rental page where I'll be able to see detailed information once more, the vehicle information, the rates it's going for hourly and daily, and then I'll be able to select the number of days that I want it. So let's say I need it for a few days, I'll just do that. So that is 8, and then the total gets calculated automatically for me. If I change this to say, it gets calculated and all of that. So that is what you need to select the rental type. Let's say I need it for a few hours instead of days, I'll just do that and it gets calculated as well. I can change that, the rental time, because it's hourly. I can change the rental time and it also gets computed automatically. Once I see this information and then it's within my budget as a customer, I'll just proceed to share my pickup location and then the return location with the business, and leave any note that I need the business to know, and then I submit. Now to submit, if you need an account, so currently I don't have an account, or I'm not logging as a customer, so I need to create an account by clicking on this to create an account, or using the login to log in if I have an account, right? I have an account already, so let me just quickly log in using that customer account I have on the system, and then I'll be able to click on browse vehicle, see the vehicle, and then go through that process at this time. So let me use it for 2 days, and then the value, and I'll provide my pickup location, the return location, and as usual any note that I want the business to know, and then I'll be able to submit. Now if you see here, because I'm logging, I can also log out. I can go to the dashboard and all of that. So here I'll submit, and then it gets submitted, right? Rental request submitted successfully, and then I can see that vehicle that I just submitted, and the reference number has been generated by default for me on the system as well. So if I need to speak to the business that okay, I requested to rent a vehicle, I can just mention the reference number here, and they should be able to find this request and take any action on it as well. Now, so this is what I get to see as a customer on the system. Okay, I submitted, this is the reference, it's still pending. Admin is here to perform any action on it. So if you see it says, your request is waiting for an admin approval and all of that. So every information about the vehicle, okay, and then I will be shown here. The location details that I shared with the business are here, and the note that I left will be here. So this is customer dashboard or customer accounts. Whoever that requested, once they log in, they'll be able to see details of their own request and all of that, right? Okay, so let me quickly just log in as an admin of the business, right, or the business owner, to show you the other part of the admin dashboard. So here, the rental request, admin will be able to see every request that came in. The one that we submitted is this one, and then every information. So admin can view the details of that vehicle, and then if they are okay and that vehicle is still available for rental, then they can approve it, cancel it, or reject it, right? So let me just quickly just approve that. I'll approve the rental request and it gets approved, right? Now, once it gets approved, let me log in. It shows automatically log out, sorry, and then log in as a customer again, right? Once I log in as a customer again and I come to my rentals, you see that particular request has been approved, right? So assuming the D-Day has finally arrived and then I pick the vehicles, I've done all my runs and then I return the vehicle, right? Admin on the other hand can also come here. Okay, it has been approved, you pick the vehicle and then activate rental. So once you are going to pick rental, activate rental, meaning that yes, it's active now. Do you get it? So my own dashboard as a customer, I will also see on active because I picked the vehicle and I'm using it. It's active. Now once I'm done through the process and then I brought the vehicle back, then admin can also mark it as completed. So from pending to approved to active, and then once it's complete, you will also see that is the process. So everything is structured and businesses will be able to make meaningful decisions based on daily insight or weekly insight from the system. So on a short note, or briefly put, this is how the rental request process is, right? So a vehicle that we have on the system can go for rental, it can also go for sale, right? Every vehicle by default is for sale, but some can also be labeled as rental, so meaning that anybody can rent such a vehicle, and this is the process that they go through before renting a vehicle. Okay, so stay tuned for the next series.